This is the golden milk that will do wonders for your body. Just drinking 1 cup of this beverage daily can help you reduce bloating, bone pain, muscle pain, menstrual pain, inflammation, and even insomnia problems. Today, I'll teach you how to prepare this delicious and soothing drink in under a minute. First, we will need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, and a pinch of black pepper, which will increase the anti-inflammatory power of the turmeric by 20 times. Then combine these 4 ingredients in a container and mix well. Next, pour 2 cups of your favorite milk into a pot and cook over medium heat. You can use regular milk or plant-based milk, such as almond milk. Just before the milk starts boiling, reduce the heat to low, add the mixture we prepared earlier, and simmer for about 8 minutes. While stirring, you will see how it quickly begins to take on a beautiful golden color. How to drink it? Pour a cup of this warm drink and add a teaspoon of honey. You should drink 1 cup a day, preferably at night before going to bed. This drink not only has a delicious flavor but will also help you sleep like a baby. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties help relieve various types of body pain, including those caused by arthritis. It's also highly recommended for women who experience severe menstrual cramps. If you like this recipe, please rate it from 1 to 10 in the comments. I wish you a long and healthy life. Thank you for your support.